Without electricity, you wouldn't be watching this video right now. This would not be due to your laptop shutting down, but because your brain is powered by electricity, the electricity that you create. Whenever you dream, laugh, think, see, or move, it's because your remarkable brain contains about 100 billion microscopic cells called neurons that are sending tiny chemical and electrical signals along billions of tiny neuron highways. 100 billion. That's over 10 times the population of the world. And this activity in your brain never stops. Each day, your neurons create and send more messages than all the phones on Earth. A single neuron generates only a tiny amount of electricity, but all your neurons together create enough electricity to power a light bulb. A migraine is far more than just a bad headache. It is a neurological condition where the nerves in the brain become hyperactive and ignite a burst of electrical activity in the nerve cells, launching a cascade of events. So what exactly is happening in the brain to create such an excruciating storm of pain? In the latest clinical evidence, it is now clear that migraines start with at least one trigger that doesn't bother the typical brain. This could be light, caffeine, and smells, amongst many others. These triggers then cause hyperexcitability in certain areas of the brain, and it is this response that stops the brain from being able to control its electrical activity in a normal manner. This results in the electrical system misfiring and behaving erratically. The consequence of this is a change in the level of blood flowing in and around the brain. This leads to the blood vessels becoming inflamed, which causes throbbing pain alongside other potential symptoms, such as nausea and sensitivity to light. Unfortunately, migraine attacks can become more frequent over time as the brain rewires itself by creating new neural pathways. In effect, the brain teaches itself how to have migraine attacks. When you first try riding a bike or driving a car, it seems to be scary, even impossible. So how do you master it? As you practice, your brain sends electrical messages along certain pathways of neurons over and over, which forms new connections. This is called plasticity, as the brain remodels itself based on any type of stimulus or input. Researchers believe that it takes 2 to 8 months to make a new habit or break an old one. By using neuromodulation, we can train our brain to make these new connections and edge closer to the pre-migraine neural function. It is a fact that neuromodulation has been used for many years in numerous conditions, such as Parkinson's disease, epilepsy, and pain management, with great success, and is now becoming more common in the migraine world. Relivion is the first and only wearable at-home therapy to stimulate the 2 major nerve pathways associated with migraine pain. This cutting-edge technology applies a gentle electric current directly to the trigeminal nerves above the eyes and the occipital nerves at the back of the head, which are directly associated with migraine pain. Over time, this highly targeted neuromodulation will help to regulate the brain's electrical pathways and reduce your pain levels and migraine symptoms. The Relivion neuromodulation therapy uses the power of electricity to calm the neurological storm. This dispersed stimulation allows for more comfortable and effective treatment. The Relivion device also collects information about your treatment, environment, and other external factors to provide insights directly to your physician to optimize your migraine care. Over time, this highly targeted neuromodulation will help to normalize the brain's electrical pathways and reduce your pain levels and migraine symptoms, such as nausea, light sensitivity, and sound sensitivity. Are you ready to be free from migraine pain and symptoms? Talk to your doctor today about Relivian and begin your journey to a new life.